Hello ladies out there, I'm Priyanka if you are seeing me for the first time, and of course this is my first video on YouTube which will be based on minimalist and day-to-day life makeup, very subtle kind of makeup. So please stay tuned on my channel. So it's gonna be very helpful for you to do your own makeup. Also of course this is my first video, so please I request you to see the whole process of this new kind of makeup and please give it a hit if you like it. So without wasting much time, let's get started into the main goal for moisturizing my face. I usually use this whitening and foaming. After using this, you will see that your face is your makeup on your face will be subtle and you will do polish finish. Okay, so for that purpose I'm using this one. Massaging your skin properly so that your makeup, whatever you will be applying, like concealer or blush, it will bring like a seamless and your base or makeup will look like so natural. I won't make it more cakey or something like you are like bundles of the makeup or bunches of the makeup on your face. It will not get collected on your face. That's why it is very important to moisturize your face very properly and conceal massage to get that properly your skin so that it will make proper base on your skin before applying any makeup product on your skin. This is the most essential part of the makeup. So yeah, how to moisturize your skin properly. So let me tell you guys, I haven't applied anything on my face. I have just ample on my face and I just apply a bit of lipstick. So I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter primer. This primer will not only prime your face but also moisturizes your skin and will use natural sun to your skin. So that's why I'm using this beauty right now. So you can see me go on my face just using primer. So for a little bit of coverage, I'm using Netherlands Fit Me Concealer, which is in a medium 25 shade. So let's get into it. So I'm not using any color corrector as it's a very minimalist and very natural nude kind of makeup. So that's why I'm not using any orange or any blue or anything else. So I'll be using just a concealer. That's it. As I can set a lot of on this side, so I'm not applying anything on this area. So I'll be applying concealer on this and this area as it's summer right now. So I set a lot in this area, so I'll be avoiding it strictly. I'm using this brush to blend it all. The brushes are really nice and convenient to blend all the things very nicely and very fast. And blenders takes a lot of time to blend all the things into your skin. So as you can see how it blended on my skin. And you can see I have not applied any filter on my face. I just blended in front of you, not added any another layer of concealer. I'm just using water and I'll just apply it on under my eye and around my mouth. Now just swipe it on this side and on this side. So you can see that just 2 or 3 drops of the concealer has covered all my face. To settle the concealer properly into the skin, I'm just using the compact powder which is Face Canada Wet Lipstick Make Compact. It is in a beige 02 shade. I'll be applying this compact powder on my face. So don't swipe, just use it and then get on your face. So it will normally and it will flawlessly settle down on your skin after finish to your face. And you guys can see how it is blended very naturally and how my skin is looking very seamlessly, very flawless, and I have no filter on. You can see it is very nicely blended and it has no cakeiness on my skin and it hasn't and nothing has consumed into my skin, under eyes or nothing. And it has covered almost all my pigmentation very nicely without using any color corrector of my eyelashes. So I'm using this eyelash powder. So if you really want to buy any eyelash powder, I really recommend this one because it is very nice and it has been bristles on this side. You can see this will really naturally cover up your eyelashes. So it adds volume to your lashes. So you can see I just give you a demo of it. Just take it out and keep your eyes like this and keep this onto your eyelash or eyelash line and just press it. So you can see that it has covered my lashes very nicely. So for the eye makeup, I'm using this Beauty Create eyeshadow palette. I'm using eye makeup because it will add a little bit of tint to your eyelids and will make your eyelids like it is your natural color of your eyelids and it won't make your eyelids look pigmented. If your eyelids are a little bit pigmented, so it will add a little bit of natural tint to your eyelids like actors which has in the movie. So like Aya Bird and all the actors which has in the movie. So it looks like very baby like a color on your eyelids. So I'll be using this color to the eyelids color. This is very similar to our skin. That's why I'm using this color. Let's see and do my eye makeup, and I will guys show you guys how it's gonna look on the eyelid. So see, I'm not using so much color. I'm just blending out whatever I have taken right now. So I'm just blending out it. I'm not adding any further color because I really want it to look very natural. I am not wearing a party like makeup. I'm adding very light strokes on it to blend it and spread it on my eyelids. I'll just add one pinch of the color on eyelids and I'll just spread it on my eyelids, and very light stroke I'll just spread it out on this side, on this corner of my eyelids, so that it will look very natural eyelids and won't make it look like it's you have added any makeup to your skin. Next step is this eyeliner, and I'm using this like my iconic eyeliner, which is in a black shade. Can you see that? So I'll be using this one. So I have applied my eyeliner. You can see how popping my eyes are looking. So right now for the kajal, I am using Swiss Beauty Kajal Gel Kajal. So I will be applying, just apply your kajal from this side to this side. And just with a light stroke, don't use like this. Just give a hint of very light stroke and don't make it very dark. So it can look very weird on your day-to-day makeup or your minimalist makeup. So keep it simple and make it subtle. So that's why I'm not using very harsh strokes. I'll be using very soft strokes. So you can see that I'm just like and for mascara, I'm using Maybelline's False Lash Mascara. See? And this, I love this mascara because it really lifts out your lashes very naturally and makes and it gives your lashes very false fits. Just by adding one stroke, it gives very nice and makes your eyelashes thick and add so much volume to your lashes. See how much difference you can see on this side and on this side. It has added so much volume to my lashes, and my lashes are looking so lengthy and so dark. So that's why I love this lash, and it has really colored out my lashes very nicely. And if I add further, it will give this much more volume and add much more length to your lashes. It really doesn't make your eyelashes really clumsy, and it separates out your lashes very nicely. And it dries out, and the main point is it dries out really quick. So you have to work so quick with this mascara, and it is waterproof, so it won't be getting out of your lashes if you are trying out. And it is really stubborn mascara. It's not gonna be removed after using after makeup more also. So that's why I love this mascara. So can you see the magic of this mascara? How much volume can add it to my lashes without changing much more. Adding mascara, I just added 2 layers of this and not much more. So our next makeup step is blush. So here I'm gonna use this makeupturorial from London. That is, it's in a rose shade. I really love this shade. If you really go, you can see this. I'm gonna use this blush right now on my cheeks. So it's gonna give me rosy cheeks. So I'll be using really light stroke or not really hard stroke. Just dab on your cheeks. So I'm just gonna add only here, not on here, not on here, just to pop up this side. This is cheekbone. You can see only this area, not this area, not this area. If you apply here, your cheeks will look much more bigger, and it can make you look much more chubby. So that's why I'm just not using here. I'm just using here only a little bit of heat. So it will just highlight your cheeks. It will highlight your bone cheeks and make your cheeks look like so blushes and much more like it will give you like a newborn baby like cheeks, rosy cheeks. So just that's why I'm using on here only, not here, not here, not here. Careful look. I'm just using very light stroke. I'm not using very harsh. I'm not gonna use really so much pigment. I'm just right here. I'm not adding any additional pigment. I'm just using and I'm just dabbing and putting water. I'll just take it. So you can see it has added a little bit of pickle tint to my cheeks. It's not looking like very chubby. So it is really the main key point of the makeup. Then I'm gonna be on this side and I'll show you guys. And whatever left on your brush, just dab on your nose tip. And it will, you can see it is giving you the tip nose without any nose contour. See? You can also add it on your chin as it will add rosy glow, and you can also call it eyebrow surface glow. Also make your skin look like a little bit of British or like a red. Like you are really so much fair. So our next makeup step is highlight. It will make your skin really glowing. That's why highlighter is most in your day-to-day makeup. So I'm gonna use Wet n Wild's highlighter. It is in a shade of Precious Petals. So I'm gonna use this one right now. It evenly spread the highlighter on your cheeks, so that's why I love this kind of fan brush. So use this kind of fan brush for a highlighter. Use a highlighter on the cheekbone. So that's why I'm using this fan to use and highlight my cheekbone. So here you can see just really light stroke will add You can see it has added growth to my 2 months. So, and I really recommend this kind of stand for the highlighter one. And a little bit of the under nose. So for the lips, I'm gonna use this Beauty Not Transfer Matte Lipstick. It is a very nice shade. It is in a sandal shade with 26. I got it for free. In between pink and brown kind of shade. So it is pinkish nude kind of shade. So I really love it. It is really amazing for the daily routine makeup. So I'm gonna apply this right now. So you can see how light and neutral on your lips. And it also moisturizes your lips, so you don't have to use any other lip balm to moisturize your lips. So it is very nice and amazing, and it really adds really matte finish to your lips, and it is not transferred. So you can see how neutral it is looking on my lips and all whatever I have created my makeup with. So our next step of the makeup is setting spray. I love this one because it just blends out your makeup into the skin just like it's your own skin. And it won't look like it is powdery on your face. It whatever you apply, concealer, blusher, it just all merge into your skin tone. That is so proper, and it makes your skin like glow a little bit and adds the moisture to your skin, and also makes your makeup long lasting. That's why I love this one. This tiny bottle has lasted me for 6 months mostly. So I'm just using this one. And this little guy. So that's why I love this setting spray, and I will highly recommend this one to you also, guys. So I'll be using this Native Drawing Eyebrow Paint for my eyebrows, for doing my eyebrows, and it is in a light violet shade. And it is really pigmented, guys. You can see how pigmented it is. So I'm just gonna make it very natural, look very natural. So that's why I'm not adding much like wax or something to give volume to my hair and to set out my eyebrows. And I'll do other side of my eyebrow, and I'll show you guys how my total makeup looks like. So guys, this is the final look of my makeup. You can see it's how glowing and how pinkish it glowy it has added to my face, and how neutral my eye makeup is looking. You can see that how it has blended very well into my skin tone, and how neutral it is looking. And you can see that lipstick is also matching to my eyelids. And if you really like my makeup, you can do thumbs up, and you can comment down below if you really like want to any review or any makeup tutorial. You can comment down below. So you can see the subscribe button here. You will be seeing much more makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, makeup product reviews, and also some unboxing also. So I'll be sharing much more videos in the future. So you guys can subscribe me right now, and so also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification about my channel. You can guys also connect me on Insta. I'm there more active, and I'll be sharing my link below down. So go and follow me right now on Insta also. And see you next time.